Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is the expiry day and today market shows sort of positive movement here, and also I told you that if it opens gap up or if it trades above 40,400 then you can expect some buying trade here, and today it made high around 40,725. So right now it trades around 40,700. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens around that higher price and trades above 40,700, 750 and shows positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be 41,000 to 14,250. But if it offers large gap up, then we're going to wait because it may be show some negative movement here, because continuously it took support from the 39,750. So if it opens a large gap up, then it may be show some negative movement there. Now let's look into 15-minute candle where you can take trade for tomorrow. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that today market opens small gap up, and after that it continuously took support from that level and goes up, and it made a W pattern here, and right now it closes around that positive zone. So as I said, if it opens around that zone which is 40,700 to 750 and shows positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be around 14,000. But if it opens a gap up around 14,000 or 40,900 and shows any kind of negative movement there, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 40,700 to 40,600. And let's assume that if it opens a gap down and if it trades below 40,500 or 550, and after that if it shows any kind of negative pressure or selling pressure, then you can expect some selling pressure here also. Target will be around 40,400, which is act as a support level today. Our first target will be around that zone, and if it also closes below that, then our next target will be around 40,300. That's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1 day candle chart. So in Nifty it also made positive movement here. From the last 9 to 10 days it kind of shows negative movement, but today it opens gap up and trades above 70,450. So if tomorrow market trades above 70,450 or 440 then shows any kind of positive movement, then you can expect some buying trade here, because from the last 3 days it made that high or closes around that 70,450 level. So if it trades above that, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target will be 70,500 to 70,600. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that today market closes above that zone which is 70,440, and it shows some positive movement after that. So if tomorrow market opens around that zone which is 17,450 to 440 and shows positive movement here, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 70,500 to 70,600. And if it opens gap down and if it trades below 70,420 or 400, which today act as a support level, if it breaks that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 7,340 to 7,320. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components, because Bank Nifty components are providing that movement to Bank Nifty. So if you are analyzing them during market hours, then it would be helpful for you to make profits in Bank Nifty options. And that's all about today guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.